Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing fine. So guys, today's video I will be mixing this virgin hair fertilizer with my other hair grease. So guys, to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming. If you are new here, you are also welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by to watch my new video. I really appreciate you guys. If you are a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate you guys too. Thank you so much. So guys, this is my DIY fertilizer that I made, veggie fertilizer too. This is the one that I made, so I will leave the link of this video at the description box below, just in case you have not watched it. As you can see, it still remains the same because I told you guys that it's not going to melt because there is some kind of shea butter and that is going to make it remain solid. As you can see, it's still solid just the way I make it before. So the video will be on the description box below, so just go and check it out. So here is my Damatol. So I'm going to add Damatol to this because this is going to be like hot everything's going to be hot. So guys, this is really going to like stimulate your hair grow, like encourage hair grow and blood flow in your scalp. So mixing all this together is going to really help a lot for your hair to grow very well. So here is my Aboniki. So I'm just going to take this little Aboniki because this Aboniki is really hot. So here is my Doogro. So I'm going to add Doogro as well. So guys, you can add any other grease that you like, that you like to use, that you have, so you can also add that. So now I'm done adding what I want to add. That is just all the product I want to add. So guys, here is my mint oil. So I'm going to still add my mint oil to make it, to make it hotter. So guys, this is so nice. If you want to see how I make that video, I will also leave it at the description box below. Guys, this is my DIY hair grow oil. Guys, you don't want to miss this video. Just go to my description box below, just go and watch that video because it's so helpful. It's going to really help you to grow your hair. That oil is everything that you need for your hair growth. So now I'm just going to mix everything together. I'm not going to add any other oil because those oil that I just add, they have all the oil that I use on my hair, so there's no need for me to add any other oil. In case you don't have any DIY oil, you can add any oil that you use. Just mix everything together, you are good to go. So guys, this is how the product is looking like now. As you can see, everything I've already mixed well. So it's time for me to just use it on my hair. I'm going to be doing a twist today, so I will show you how I will just use it on my hair. So this product is really good, like it's really good for hair growth, to mix everything together. All these hot kind of products like Damatol veggie hair fertilizer and all that, so they really help to stimulate your scalp and to encourage blood flow in your scalp. So that is really good, guys. I just wash my hair. So I wash my hair and I deep condition my hair with my DIY oil that I made, that mint oil, rosemary and ginger. So that's what I used to deep condition my hair. I deep condition my hair overnight, so I just wash it out the next morning. So this is how my hair is looking like now. That product is really good for you to deep condition your hair with. It's very nice. So now my hair really feels soft and really shiny, as you can see. So I'm just going to use, this is my OROS hair fertilizer. So I'm going to use this one as a as a leave-in because it's water-based grease, guys. But it's grease, but it's water-based grease. So so I'm going to use it as a leave-in. Then I will use the that grease that I made. So this is the one that I made. I'm just going to add it to use it on my scalp. So if just people always ask me whether it's good to use grease on your scalp, guys. So good to use grease on your scalp because it also help with dry scalp. If you have dry scalp, you can use grease on your scalp just to make it stay moisturized and get rid of dandruff and all that. So I always grease my scalp, so I didn't see I didn't experience any bad thing. So I it's very safe for you to grease your scalp once in a while. So now I'm just going to apply water to my hair. Then I will just use the leave-in conditioner, the ORS hair fertilizer. That product is also good for hair growth, guys. I love ORS product because they are also good for hair growth and they are also affordable. So and they are also everywhere. You can find it everywhere. I like product that you can find everywhere and also affordable. That is what I use. So I cannot buy product online. Shipping payment is so expensive. Like buying products from the US or UK, the money that they use to ship it to you will even be more than the money that you pay, be more than the one that you used to buy the product. So I have decided to stay put, like stay where my hand reach. So just use what I can find around me on my hair. So like DIY product or the one that I can see that I can know that if I use it on my hair it's going to be good, and if, maybe anywhere you live you can also find that product. So that's what I love to use because I don't want to stress myself and I don't want to stress you guys too that are living in outside US or UK. That's very difficult to find like black hair products. So guys, that is what I do. So after applying the product to my hair, I'm just going to twist. Guys, this is so nice. This is so really good. Like this combo is so good for hair growth. So now I'm just going to continue um continue twisting my hair, apply the product to my hair, and just so I'm just going to pat my hair, then I will put the product on my scalp and also on my hair. Guys, this product is so good. Why? Because they have that kind of hotness in it. So yeah, I like it. I like it. I like that hot feeling that I get from this product. So that's why I love to use it together. Like mix all of them together. Okay, oh shit. So you mix everything together like this, and then you are good to go. I also use it during the week. I also use it during the week. So just on my scalp, and also just rub it on my hand and just pass it through my hair. So just pass it through my hair and then just like that, guys. So that is basically how I use product on my hair. Maybe sometimes I will just leave my hair alone. Sometimes I will just use it every day, every day, every day, even 2 times a day, say morning and evening. Just depends on how I feel. So sometimes I don't feel like using product on my hair all the time. Sometimes you will not just be in the mood to just put product on your hair. Just put it on protective style and just allow it to rest just like that. So I don't know if it's just me, maybe just me, I don't know. So guys, I'm not going to just apply my ORS first. So you can see just work it into my hair very well. This product is very nice, guys. If you have not tried it, just give it a try. You are going to like it so much. You are going to like it. I promise you, you will love it. So after working the product, the ORS into my hair, I'm just also going to just take the grease and just put it on top of it, like to see everything together, because that hair oil is water-based grease, guys. It's water-based grease. You have a lot of oil, a lot of ingredients, a lot of herbs and all that in it, so it's very very good for hair growth. Then we are done applying the product. Just comb your hair to distribute the product to your hair very well. Then you just twist and your hair is fine like this. During the day or during the week or every other day, you can grease your scalp and also just put the product on your palm, rub it together. I mean the grease on your palm, rub it together and just put it on your hair just like so. So guys, somebody is doing leg shaking. so so guys, that is it, guys. Just use what you can find around you that you know that your hair love. Don't stress yourself too much, because mm, don't stress yourself looking for a product that you know that you cannot find in your area. Just use what you can find, guys, and your hair is going to appreciate it. So after that, I'm just going to just twist my hair just like so and put it on a protective style. So there's no twister today, guys. I'm not doing twist out today. So I just want to put my hair in a protective style and just allow it to rest and breathe fresh air. Okay. Sometimes let us put our hair, allow it to breathe fresh air. Okay, stop touching your hair all the time, disturbing your hair. So just allow it to rest. So you can do midweek moisturizing. Just maybe just want to moisturize your hair during the week, it's fine, because I also do midweek moisturizer. Maybe when I'm going out, I want to wear my natural hair, I'll just take down this twist. Then maybe 2 days or 3 days after, then I can just try to pull my hair back again in protective style. That means I want to re-moisturize my hair again, because you cannot be growing your hair and not showcase it. Let the world see your hair, let people see your hair. So that is it, guys. I'm done twisting my hair, as you can see. Now I'm just going to use the grease to massage my scalp. Massaging your scalp is so good, guys. It's so good for hair growth. Like increase the rate of your hair grow, like it's fasting it to grow faster. You make it to grow really faster by massaging your scalp. Allow blood to flow on its own, just allow it to flow, encourage new growth. So and your edges also just massage everything. Now I am done. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate you guys a lot. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you guys in my next one. God bless you all for supporting me all the time. I really appreciate you guys from my heart. Thank you so much for loving me, and I love you back. Bye bye.